In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome notifications in Windows. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Now look in the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 vertical dots to open the menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see a list of categories. Click Privacy and Security. After clicking Privacy and Security, look toward the main area in the center of the page. You should now see several options related to privacy and security. Find and click Site Settings. In the Permissions section, find Notifications and click it. On this page, you can control whether sites are allowed to ask for notification permission, whether they can send notifications, and how Chrome should behave by default. Now look for the area labeled Default Behavior. Under Default Behavior, select the option that says Do not allow sites to send notifications. This tells Chrome that websites should not be able to send notifications by default. After you choose this option, Chrome will apply the setting automatically. There is usually no save button needed. From this point forward, websites should not be allowed to send notifications through Google Chrome unless you later return to this page and change the setting again. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.